In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to change region in your app store. So let's get started. So first of all, this is a very straightforward process and it's so easy to change it. So first of all, you're gonna open your settings app. So once you've opened, you're gonna click on your name. So on the top, there's gonna be your name, you're gonna click on it. Then you're gonna click on media and purchases. So once you click on that, there's gonna be a menu which pops up, and from that menu you'll have to click view account. If you're not signed in, it may ask you to sign in once again to verify that it's you. So once you have gone through the process of verification, you're gonna click on country/region, as you guys can see here. So country/region, you're gonna click on that. So once that is done, you're gonna click tap country or region, and then you're gonna choose your new country or region from there. So you're gonna choose, and then you're gonna click agree in the top right corner, and then you'll have to click it again to confirm. Alright, so once that is done, the last thing which will be left is to add your payment method. I know most of you might be wondering, is there any other way to do it? Well, no, you always have to do it. So then you're gonna add a payment method, and you're gonna enter your billing address and all that information, your credit card. You'll have to add all the information to verify, and then once that is done, you're good to go. Your new country or region is set up, and you can use it, your app store, to your new region. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.